Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about SoFi. Can I use SoFi with mobile payment apps like Apple Pay or Google Pay? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can use your SoFi debit and credit cards with major mobile payment apps, including Apple Pay and Google Pay, as well as Samsung Pay. Mobile payment apps, also known as digital wallets, allow for secure, contactless payments using your smartphone or smartwatch. They use a technology called near-field communication, or NFC, to process your payment without needing your physical card. This adds a layer of security by replacing your card number with a unique token for each transaction. How to add your SoFi debit card? The easiest way to set up your SoFi debit card is directly through the SoFi mobile app. Open the SoFi app on your phone. Go to the Banking tab. Tap the gear icon in the top right, or find the debit card option. Select the digital wallet you want to use, like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Follow the on-screen prompts to add your virtual card to your device's wallet. This process usually involves reviewing terms and conditions and verifying your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. Your virtual card is immediately ready to use even before your physical card arrives. How to add your SoFi credit card? The process for a SoFi credit card is very similar. Open the SoFi app. Go to the credit card section. Tap the three dots menu or select the card image, then find the option for your card. Select your preferred mobile wallet, like Google Pay or Apple Pay. Follow the prompts to finalize the addition of your card, adding directly through your mobile wallet app. Alternatively, you can add your SoFi card directly through the Apple Wallet or Google Pay app. Open your digital wallet app. Select Add a card or the plus icon. Choose debit or credit card. You may be able to scan your card, or you will manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once entered, you will be prompted to complete a verification process, usually by receiving a text message or email code from SoFi. Once your card is verified, you can simply tap your phone at any payment terminal that supports contactless payments. Look for the contactless or tap-to-pay symbol. Using your SoFi card with a mobile wallet is a fast, secure, and convenient way to make purchases in person and online. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.